Hi U12s, welcome back. This is going to be another shorter video, shorter PowerPoint, but again we're looking at immunity, okay? And again we've covered innate immunity in our last video, all right? Again, it's just going to try and destroy anything that it finds. So any pathogen or any foreign antigen it finds in your body, it will try and destroy. All right, it's non-specific. We also looked at physical barriers in animals, stuff such as intact skin, which blocks the pathogens from getting in, all right, until of course it's broken open. Mucus glands and mucus secretions, all right, they physically block stuff from getting into. Also mentioned physical barriers in plants such as the bark, the waxy cuticle, and thorns and trichomes. Okay. All right. So what are we looking at? Chemical and microbiota barriers of humans. Part of the dot point here, as you can see. All right, chemical barriers in animals include any enzymes that you've ever heard of. Okay, so barriers that work by producing chemical substances that make the environment unlivable for the pathogen. Okay, so it has to be some sort of change in an environment for the pathogen, and that normally will kill it. So for example, enzymes in tears, enzymes in saliva that break down bacteria, stomach acid, which will just destroy any pathogens that get down into your throat and swallowed. All right, sweat has, it's more acidic than it is alkaline. It will destroy some pathogens. Antibacterial compounds in earwax, the natural oils on your body too. All of these things. Okay. What about plants? They have certain things. They produce certain chemicals. Chitinases, again, that's an enzyme. Antifungal enzyme. Phenols, when a plant's wounded, it essentially produces and expels this type of chemical. All right, and that includes when something eats it. Okay. Then we have microbiota or microbiological barriers in animals, and that's again, it's more bacteria blocking bacteria. Okay, so there's bacteria on your skin that can be good, all right, and it will block pathogens. There is also some in the vagina as well, obviously ears as well, and then the main one is the gastrointestinal tract here. All right, and the way I like to describe this one is that these bacteria within your intestines, all right, they are good bacteria that sit there. They eat some of the nutrients from your food, okay, help you metabolize them too, but they take some of the nutrients, not much, but a tiny amount, and for that they'll survive, and then they can protect you. Okay, it's like a symbiotic relationship. Say the intestinal wall has an amount of area that bacteria can cover. They are covering that area. All right, so that good bacteria covers the area in which bad bacteria or bad pathogens could get in. Okay, so the example I always use is like a classroom. All right, if there's a bunch of seats in a classroom, and it's there's 25 really good kids sitting on the seats. Out of the 25 seats there is, no other bad people can sit down. Okay, so no other bad bacteria can get into the area. It's a microbiological barrier there. All right. All right. Thank you for listening.